Imagine building wealth from creatures you hardly ever notice. Snail farming, the silent millionaire's hustle, is quickly changing the agribusiness game in Kenya. If you're tired of traditional livestock, get ready to discover a world where minimal space and equipment lead to maximum returns. Snails are nothing short of nature's little vaults. Unlike cattle or poultry, they demand very little land and thrive in low-maintenance pens. But the real secret? These small hustlers multiply rapidly. One snail can lay up to 500 eggs several times a year, turning your farm into a non-stop profit machine. Think about this. Snail meat is packed with protein and iron, making it highly sought after not just in Kenya, but all across Europe and Asia. Local prices range from KS 1,500 to 2,500 per kilo, and international buyers pay even more. The demand is real, and profits can scale fast. But it doesn't stop at meat. Snail slime is powering a booming skincare industry, used in creams, serums, and even medical ointments. Imagine having multiple streams of income from the same farm: meat, slime, and eggs. Whether you're selling to restaurants, beauty brands, or baking supply companies, there's a market for every snail product. Best of all, snail farming is remarkably quiet. It's low risk, high reward, and doesn't disrupt your daily routines, making it perfect for side hustlers and full-time entrepreneurs alike. Ready to turn this silent hustle into your own story of success? If you're serious about making money in agribusiness, it's time to consider snail farming. Comment Snail if you're ready to start your journey. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Like this video, share with fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe for more insider business ideas. Let's build a future where everyone has a shot at silent wealth, one snail at a time.